Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me OPPO A77s, and now I can show you top 3 bad themes for this device. So, as you can see now, I'm using theme on the first place in my top. This is Microsoft Launcher. So here we have glance panel. In the glance panel we can set up our favorite widgets. In this way we don't need to switch between file and the home screens to find desired widget. In the main menu we have the alphabetical line, and on the settings we have gestures setting up, and we can set up gestures in this way that when you will use one gesture you can open shortcut or any application. For example, I have set up my gestures, and I have set up that using 2 fingers swipe up I'm opening the calculator. Of course you can set it up to different apps, to different gestures, so just try it. If you'll try, you will like it. On the second place in my top is Smart Launcher 6, so just find it. Smart Launcher 6 is a really great theme. I don't want to use the default. It's a really great theme. It's a really great launcher with fine fonts, with use panel, with great apps grouping feature, and it's really beautiful. So when Microsoft Launcher is functional but not beautiful, it's spiky and gray shade. I don't know how to explain it. So Microsoft style, but here we have really great style, really cool icons, icon pack, and it's cool. Here we have smart search. Using smart search we can search for results in device, in network, in the Google, and Bing and other search engines at the same time, and it's really great. I suggest you try it. So you need to try 3 of these launchers. I will show you right now and choose the best one for you. So on the third place in my top is really great launcher if you need to be focused. So if you need to be focused, the Niagara launcher is best choice for you, because here we have only favorite apps on the home screen. So we need to set it up. I don't want to use it. Can you? Okay. So for example, I will use Niagara launcher. Okay. Show me how. Enable, disable, read article, read article. So we can set it up. And here, okay, alright, sure. Cancel. Great. So here you will have you will have only the most popular apps for you, and here you have alphabetical line to find any apps really fast. For example, you want to find YouTube, just swipe your finger to Y. Play Store just to P. I don't know. Notes just to N. And great. So in this way, this launcher is really simple and beautiful. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.